Good morning, my dear. I hope you all are fine. You are going through the notes also that are given through WhatsApp and even video also that is helping you a lot to understand the topics even in online as well as offline mode. Students, today I am going to discuss four topics. First topic is rapid typing software interface. Next one, getting started with the rapid typing software. Third one, viewing student statistics. And the last one, opening the lesson editor. These all topics I have to explain today, my dear. So first of all, let me explore the software. I am going to explore. Yes, my software is already explored. First of all, I will explain its components, my dear. Just now you can see on the screen. It is showing you the touch typing interface, my dear. Now, the first one, this one. This is your title bar. This part is your title bar. Now, the next one. Next one, you can see current lesson button. Just now you can see current lesson button here. This is current lesson button. Actually, it is used to check the current lesson. Yes, in which lesson you are, my dear. Now, the next part. Just every component I am saying. Just when you will keep your mouse pointer, you can understand it. Next one is student statistics. This part. It is used to change the statistics of the user's typing speed. Next one, lesson editor button. Next one is lesson editor button. You can see, and I will move the mouse pointer on that. You will see lesson editor button that you can do it by the help of control yes 3 also. Now this button is used to open the lesson editor, my dear. Now come to the down part. Next one is the option button. Wait. Yes, you can see the option button. This is my option button. You can see, which shows the keyboard, background, text editor, colors, font, whatever work you want to do it. Now, the next one, minimize, maximize, close, that you all are knowing, my dear. Now, the next one, see this part. This is to select the course, which courses. First, as you are the you have the introduction part, then you must go for the introduction. Next one, if you are beginner, then you can go for beginner one. Just next to that one, you have the select lesson. Many lessons are there. Basic lessons 1 to 7, shift keys related to 1 to 9, like different lessons. One by one you have to go, my dear. Now, next to that is the start lesson. You see, a timer has a start. You know, it is going to warn you, my dear, that your time is going to over. Just you can see at the bottom, just here you can see two colors. You can see two colors. One is yellow and other one is green. It is showing your time, my dear, going to elapse. You can see. Just I will just let me first type, then you will understand. Now I have selected introduction, everything. Now keep your finger in the same way. Now I'm going to use AS, but I will not use ASDF. Now I have the different letters. You can see it is showing these letters. I have to work on these letters, my dear. Don't try to write ASDFZ. Now I'm going to show you. First, it is said to press F. So I will start my journey from here. F, start. F space, J space, D space, K space, F space, J space, D space, K space, F space, J. Like this I have the lesson. It will show me how many errors I have committed. Now, just I have completed my lesson. Now you see, my dear, your statistics, it is showing my accuracy. That means I have not done any mistake. Whatever the letters that was flashing on the screen, the same letters I have pressed. It is 100%. Now it is showing me the speed. What is my speed? I have pressed 41 words per minute. Now next one is the accuracy. There is no mistake. That's why it is giving 100%. And slow down 0%. Now I'm showing you again, my dear. Again I'm going to start, my dear. This time I will commit mistake. Now it has started. It is saying S. I'm going to use A space L space, then A space, semicolon, space. Here instead of S, A I am writing. Mistake is there. It will show later on. Then A space, semicolon. Yeah, everything is counted. Errors also counted. Space. Now K, this is wrong. S space. Instead of L, J I am writing. L space, A space, semicolon. Now you see, my dear. Now you can know my speed is slow little bit. Accuracy is not 100%. Why? Many mistakes I have done while typing. Earlier it was 100%. I haven't done mistake. Now it is saying 62%. Now slow down 0% because as I have taken beginner, so that is no problem. So this way you can start your journey. Try again like that. Now I'm going to start again. Go on. Now you see the next part. This is for the beginners. In beginners, I am having some other work, little bit difficult in comparison to that one. So here also I will be doing the same way, but I'm not going to discuss this all. You are knowing all these things already. Now lesson is there. Which lesson? Using the shift key, I'm going to use lesson 1. Now you can see here it is said not to use caps lock. Here you have to use shift key and then F, shift key F, shift key J. Don't try to use caps lock, so that if you will be using this lesson, your practice of shift key, yes, will be done, my dear. Now like this 0%, here you have all the, yes, speeds related with that one. Even you can change the setting also. You see here also I can set my password, whatever the password I want to set it, that you can give it. Yes, any modification you want. No, my speed should not be less than 23. It should be less than 45. You can increase. It is up to you how you want to mold it. Your software, it is up to you. So I think this is not to be discussed, my dear. I hope you have understood.